Alright guys, so this is an unboxing of the EOS R5 from Canon. I've been waiting about a month and a half for it. I'm super excited to have it, and I'm ready to replace my 5D Mark IV, which is recording me right now. So, let's check it out. The box here has the EOS R on the side, and pretty standard Canon box. Let's check it out. So when you open it up, you get this tray. So this has all of my warranty stuff. This is the thick booklet. And you get a nice USB-C cable plus I think it's like a lock so that if you have it tethered, it'll be secure. You have the brand new LPE6NH battery, which is pretty dope. It's supposed to be, I think, 20% better than the LPE6 batteries that we have now. I have a bunch of these, but I think I need to pick up a newer version of this just for the EOS R. So I think this is just a standard charger. I have a bunch of these as well, so we can take a look at them. Yeah, so I don't know if it's anything different, but you got a charger in the box, which is nice. I know some of the Sony ones don't have those included. You have to charge it through USB-C. All right, so this is the actual camera. You get the EOS R strap, which I'm not gonna really use. I have the Peak Design ones. And here is the big boy. Let's get this out of the way and let's check it out. Whew. There she is. Unbelievable. So you have this really pronounced EVF on here, our viewfinder. So it's really off to the side, which I think is awesome. And we also have this beautiful flip out screen. Oh my God. I can't tell you how many times I tried to record myself with the 5D Mark IV just for me to not even want to deal with having to bring another monitor or whatever. And to have this right on it is unbelievable. And when you're going for the high level shots, to be able to flip it out like this is, I can't wait. We have the 5D nipple here, which I'm glad they brought back. I really loved it on the 5D Mark IV. We also have the dial here, and we also have the super awesome e-ink or always on display here for your settings. Super excited about that. A dedicated record button. Yeah, so this is what everything that comes in the box. Pretty simple. I like it. This is everything I need. This is it. Look at that. Super excited to get ready. And I also have something else. This is the Global Dynamics United new RF lens cap. So let's check it out. Let's check out this beautiful sensor too. Oh, so there is the shutter block, so I can't even see it. I actually think that's really nice to have the shutter come down and block the sensor if any dust were to come in. So that's really nice to know. Oh, look at that. How sick is that, guys? All right, so that's everything that comes in the box and the new lens cap that I have. But I also heard that the Canon, I mean, from what I can see, it does feel durable, but I heard that it's actually not as durable as the 5D Mark IV. So just in case, I went and looked around for a skin guard. I didn't want the silicone one. I didn't want the cheap one. So I actually went and got the Alpha Guard one. I'm actually gonna do another video on putting it on and what I think about it. But if I were to just use it as is, it does seem to be okay. But just to be safe, I did grab this. It was like 60 bucks. But yeah, let's check it out and I will see how it goes. Later, guys.